Welcome to my Lightspeed Internet Provider Review Usage Experience. Links to their services and plans are provided in the description below. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about Lightspeed, its features, who it's best suited for, and how it compares to other internet providers. Lightspeed is a high-speed internet provider that stands out for offering fiber optic internet, providing users with fast, reliable connections, ideal for heavy usage like HD streaming, gaming, and remote work. One of the most appealing aspects of Lightspeed is its exceptional speed offerings, ranging from basic plans for light browsing to gigabit speeds, perfect for households or businesses that rely on high-performance internet. Their fiber optic network ensures low latency and minimal buffering, which is essential for users who need reliable connections for video conferencing or other online activities requiring stability. The provider offers a range of flexible plans, making it suitable for single users, families, and businesses. The plans vary based on speed, starting from basic options for casual browsing and email, to high-speed plans that support multiple devices and data-heavy activities like gaming or large file uploads. Prices are competitive for the service they offer, though users in rural or less densely populated areas may face challenges with coverage availability. One thing to note is that Lightspeed's customer support is known to be responsive and available through multiple channels, including phone, email, and live chat, which is an added plus if you encounter any issues during installation or later on. The downside to Lightspeed is its coverage area. It's available in select regions, and if you're outside these areas, you may need to look for another provider. Additionally, while speeds are impressive, power users with extreme data needs may find themselves opting for the higher-tier plans to ensure they meet all their demands. Overall, Lightspeed is a strong choice for users who prioritize speed and reliability, especially for families or professionals with high internet demands. If you're looking for a high-performance internet provider, check out the links in the description for more details. Thanks for watching.